Greetings everyone, welcome back once again to my tutorial. And as previously, we started with this design. We started designing this project, this wall, as you can see over here. And we ended over here where we place our fence wall. We work on our topography. We work on the stairs, the steps that we place over here. So in this case, I will go ahead and add wall painting. In this video, we will be working on how to paint and how to model a text on the wall. So what we will be doing over here, let's start and continue wherever we left it the last time. So now we are coming to do our painting. So what we will be doing is we will select anything, then it will bring these guys up. So if it brings these guys up, you will come here. We have remove paint or add paint. So you come here, click on the arrow beside it and come and do paint. We are coming to paint, right? They said we should save, so we save. So it brings this paint tab over here. But before I will continue, I will come here. As you can see, the parts that we'll be painting and how do you want to paint the wall. We want this paint to paint, we want to apply this paint to the bottom. So we come here, we select over here. If you can see, you select this guy also, then you paint this side, paint this side, paint this side, paint this one also. From here we come here, you paint here as well. Then you rotate it. After rotating it, you come here, you paint here as well. You come here, you paint here also. As you can see, the stairs, we have the stairs over here. We paint here, paint here, paint here, and paint here the same color. Then we move forward. It's just painting, so we are just here to paint. Come here, I select this, paint it, then I paint this guy also. Rotate to this side. Over here, the paint over here didn't apply, so I paint here. I paint, paint, and paint. From here, I paint this side, I paint this guy, and I paint this side also. Paint this guy, then if you can see, I've painted but still not painted. To look for here, paint this guy. Yes, it's now done. But if you can see, you see that this is the floor side. But if you look or you check, you see that this floor over here, it is showing white, but we want this one also to have the paint of the floor. So you have to scroll through and look for your floor. Let's search for it. My floor. So this is the floor. We pick it. You come here. You paint. Select, you paint. Right. Come here. Select, you paint. You paint. You paint. As you can see how it's going. It's going smoothly. This side also we come. You select, you paint. We select here also, we paint. Over here also there is a wall. We select the top, then we paint. So as you can see that we've placed the painting we are able to paint this wall nicely over here, as you can see, right? So now let's come and place um, a gate over here. So let's go to um, our families. Let's go to family. So I will go to desktop. From there, I go to Revit. From Revit, I go to Revit families. Then I look for my gates, right? There is one over here gate. There is one also over here gate. So which one do we want to place? So I think I'll have to place this one. We have to wait small. Yes, this is the gate. So it is open over here. So let's load it into the project. We load it into the project, right? So we come here. As you can see, uh, I place it nicely over here, and I make sure the gate is taking time before responding. So this wall, let me move it forward small, right? So I bring this one also here. I make sure it join with it. So I go back to the 3D. So as you can see, our gate is a little bit higher. So what I will do is I will send it to ground level. Send it to the ground level. So as you can see, we place our gate nicely in front of the house, right? It is being placed nicely. So as you can see, the gate is here nicely. It's looking great and nice. So we are done painting also. We are done placing the gate also. So now, as you can see, we are done with the painting and we place our gate. So what we will be doing now is model our text over here, and the text I'll be modeling it in front of this wall. So what we will do is, so we come here, then we said pick a work plane. We said okay, then you pick the work plane over here, then you come to model a text and write it Aussie, Aussie Posh. We want to write Aussie Posh on it. We said okay, then we bring it over here, then we put it nicely. But we want it to be a little bit smaller. So we come here and edit it. Maybe let's do it 200. Then we press OK. So this is it. Aussie Posh. We want the material for it. We will come here, the material that we want to use to write the text. Let's say we pick this blue, navy blue. We press OK, right? So this is our text. But if you check the text, you see that they are telling you the depth of it. So which means the thickness of the text should be 150. So this one 25, 25 thick. So this is uh, our writing, and we come here, our bold. uh let's add another one also, another text also, abode. Abode. So we add that one also here nicely. We click the same thing, 25. We come to the material, we pick the navy blue as well. Then, as you can see, we've put a text over here, OC Posh Abode. So basically, when it comes to designs like this is how we will go about it nicely. Everything is looking good from this side. This is our fence wall. So thank you all for um, watching this video. um, I'll plead with you to subscribe to the channel, uh, press the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to um, be the first to watch. Thank you very much.